tail just fall off.
Eee, lizard.
Oh, for some reason, it wants to go up.
Ooh, it's like a jungle up there.
Yeah, put your other hand there.
Let him get used to it. Just keep putting hand in front of hand.
Yep. Now they go. Okay.
Hand in front of
There you
hand.
go. It's called the walking method. Just walk the lizard. Okay, once he's off that hand, put your other hand up there.
Man.
Oh, now get the other hand out there.
There you go.
Yep, it's
Careful.
called walking
Kind of
lizard.
scared.
Oh, he wants Dad.
You're
He
okay.
wants
You can
down.
Get your other hand out there. There you go. Just turn this hand.
Does he bite?
Put your other
No.
hand there. No, he has no teeth.
I thought Grandpa said he bit him.